A data list is one of the PerfectForms reporting table objects. Use a data list to display data from different fields on the form. As you will see in this tutorial, data lists can also be used as access portals by including a link to the individual form instances. Drag a data list onto your report. Position and resize according to the amount of data you will be displaying in the list. In the data list properties, there is a table. Add rows to the table for each field that you want to display. In this example, we will also add an extra row for the link to the instance. For each row, choose the field that you want to display and the column header name. Our first row will be the link, which, as it will be presented as a button, means we can adjust the row width to a suitable size, as we can with other fields too. If required, you may choose a format for specific data types. You can also apply sort functions and alignment too. It's always a good idea to preview your report to see how it looks. Let's try the link option and see that the instance this data is coming from can be opened by the report user. Do be aware that the report user might not have been an active user in the instance they are opening, in which case they probably won't be able to do anything other than to view the form instance. Access to the form instance's data is controlled by the roles defined in the notify commands when designing the form. Data in your list will be displayed in pages, and the report user can navigate between pages using the buttons on the bottom. It is also possible to control the number of rows displayed on each page, which means the user doesn't have to scroll on each page and navigate between pages too. Based on what we saw in the preview, we can adjust the data list height and the number of rows per page accordingly. We can also check the option to permit data to be exported from the data list. Data can be exported into an XML or CSV file. In other tutorials, we will see how the individual reporting objects interact with each other.